Pero ito hindi pa nakastart. Ba din?
Ito ba? This one is open. Close like this.
Opo. Ano mo lang no? Kasi minsan yung mga iba dyan, mahirap na ta. Kung sino makasira, syempre sa magkabono. Kaya i-check lang ha. Pag medyo mag-ano tayo,
Start now.
just make sure it is
Okay.
being handled properly. Okay, so in transferring the patient from bed to wheelchair, of course, so what are the things that we are going first and foremost to do? So ganito the procedure, of course. First and foremost is we need to identify, okay, and then introduce and verify the patient itself. Introduce yourself. Yeah, of course, di ba? Good morning, good afternoon. Sir, ma'am, okay. And then I will be your CNA or caregiver for this day, okay. And I am here to transfer you from your bed to wheelchair, okay. Okay. But after that, and then you need to verify the patient itself. Verifying the patient itself, there should be at least 3 identifiers. What are those identifiers that you need to know?
Name.
The name, age, okay, the date of birth, and then the wristband of the patient itself, as well as this bed ng patient at the end of the bed, may name tag siya. There's a name tag, okay? So at least 3 identifiers should be, or from the 3 you need to have at least 2. That will serve as your basis. Para meaning to say that you have already do it to the right patient itself, okay? And then the next thing that you're going to do, of course, you need to provide privacy to the patient. But of course, kung kayo lang naman dalawa, di ba? So given na yun, and then after that, you need to tell the patient itself for the time being. Of course, you need to to prepare the things that you're going to utilize for him or her. Then you need to perform the hand hygiene technique, okay? So yun ang first and foremost that kailangan mo munang upon entering the patient itself. Introduce, verify, and explain, and then try to identify if that is really the patient that you're going to perform the transferring of patient from bed to wheelchair, as well as at
You
least
need to use the gate belt, sir.
Yes, ito hindi pa nga tayo tapos. And then also, yes, you need to bring the necessary equipments, okay? And during that time na you are going to ask the patient, you are going to, just to leave her for a while, maybe like 20 minutes, 15 minutes, like that, because you need to perform hand hygiene, as well as to gather all the necessary equipments that you are going to utilize during that procedures that you are going to do to the patient itself. Okay, andito na si patient. Sige. Patient, higa ka na dito siya.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And syempre, di ba, dalawa lang naman ang gagamit. Let us remember that we are performing the transferring of patient from bed to wheelchair to bed. The most important things that you're going to utilize, the equipments that you're going to utilize or use is the gait belt as well as the wheelchair. Okay?
Yeah, you're the patient, sir. You're gonna lie down.
So, assume naman natin, medyo anti-rehabilitation na si siya, pero wala naman siyang kaano, kaya nag-confine lang siya, di ba? So, kailangan niya ng therapy, dadalhin natin na there's a doc, and then also, don't forget also to try to check the chart of the patient, okay? Kasi that will be our basis if siya is allowed to transfer from bed to wheelchair or not.
We need to check the vital signs, sir, or no?
Everything that you must do, it should be based on the chart of the patient itself. When we are talking about the chart of the patient itself, that is from the doctor's order. We cannot perform anything unless without the doctor's order. Because remember, when we are doing a procedure, all the procedure that is being done is by the doctor's advisor order. We cannot execute anything unless or otherwise. When you enter the room of the patient itself, you have observed something wrong or difference from the patient. So upon observing that there is some dysfunction or difference from the patient itself, you need to take note and report it to the nurse itself. Pero kung talagang maagapan, kunyari emergency, di ba, sabihin natin talagang mataas ang lagnat, before doing that, you need to inform na the nursing station or to whom the person that you need to inform prior the procedure or the things that you're going to do to the patient itself, okay? So assuming na, di ba? So when we arrive at the room of the patient itself, both side rails are raised, okay? So yeah, normal lang naman siya, nakasupine na siya position, okay? And then we have already okay sir, good afternoon. By the way, I'm here, I'm John, your caregiver for today. So there's a doctor's order that I need to transfer you from to bring you from your bed to wheelchair because I'm going to bring you to the laboratory station. Okay? So may kanya-kanya naman yan, the things that you're going to perform. It could either be a therapy, di ba? Kasi syempre nag-undergo siya ng rehabilitation. Either what's the doctor's advice or orders. So that's the reason or the rationale behind why we are doing that certain things. Okay? So how are you doing today, sir? Okay, yeah. Okay, sir. Anyway, by the way, I have to inform this to the nursing in charge. And then there's a doctor's order for today that you will need to be to undergo a certain laboratory test. That will be fine for you, sir. You're not interested. So pag may mga let's assume may mga ganito talaga. There's really a patient like this. So remember, kailangan compose pa rin tayo, hindi tayo malos ng way natin, yes, in mind natin. Although kahit gigil na gigil ka na, di ba? Oo. Gusto mo lang, di ba? Kasi may gagawin ka pa. You still have other things to do, hindi lang naman siya. Shop is not only your patient. And you still have to stay in the hospital or in the home care like mga 6 hours. Makulit talaga, no? Gusto mo nang ano yun, no? So pag mga ganon, ano mo na lang muna siya. So,
Parang bata.
So how are you? Is it fine now? Hindi, kagawin nyo na lang. Hindi, sabihin nyo na lang ng malumanay, di ba? Ano nyo muna, so siguro mag-break muna kayo. Tapos, just for a minute, kunyari may ano, i-pretend mo na lang may ano ka muna. Oo. Tapos sabihin mo na lang siya, just again approach him or her na there's really a doctor's order wherein this is really very necessary that he should have to undergo this laboratory test. Okay. By the way, sir, I just came back here just to inform you that you really need to undergo for the laboratory test because this is very important for your regarding about your health conditions. That will be fine. It will not take too long, sir. Yeah. After you undergo this laboratory test, sir, you will have to have a good rest for that. But for the time being, we need to bring you to the laboratory for the test itself. That will be fine, sir. Okay na daw siya. So assuming, syempre si patient, nakakumot, diba? Nakakumot siya. Kumot siya.
Kumot na.
Okay. So pag nakakumot siya,
Diretso mo sa mukha, sir.
ganyan na siya. So i-bring down na lang natin. Kasi alin natin siya. Sir, just position yourself because you are going to I will bring you to the pwede nyo naman to, you have an options, okay? It's either you can bring it both together, the feet, or pwede nyo nalang i-ganon. Okay? Oo. And then just to make sure na kailangan nakaposition na ang wheelchair. Okay?
And you have to know.
Anak siya. Okay. Actually, nawala ng ano niya. Nandun sa isa, oh. Yung foot, ano niya, foot rest niya. Okay. And then, so, nandito na rin yung ano niya, the things that he's going to do, then to use, to tie around his waist, which is the gait belt. Okay, sir. Would you put your what? Here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Is it working now? Tapos kung syempre, let's, if you have like shoes or whatsoever, slippers, we should wear it first to the patient itself, okay? And then now what I'm going to do is now to put the gate belt. Here I'm going now to put the gate belt. This will support you when transferring you from your bed to wheelchair, okay?
Because I feel scared.
Don't be scared, sir. I'm here with you, okay? So, sir, how is it? It's okay, not too tight, not too loose.
Yes.
Okay, so now you can just put your both hands here on my shoulder, and then at the count of 3, yeah. And then we're going to, I'm going to put you in your wheelchair, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Si Shab hindi nakika-operate, mamaya tumatayin.
Clearing ka naman.
That's okay. Okay.
I need to
Okay na.
if you
Yeah.
Nanindigan talaga.
Let's assume already have the footrest or the foot pedal here, okay? Because it's already there. Yeah. Stand up.
handle like this patient, okay, Jonah?
Just put, leave your feet na lang. Ganun na, di ba? So, yan, let's assume that we're going to bring you to the, to the laboratory. Sige lang, labas tayo. Baka matulak pa.